Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an IUL. First, let's understand what an IUL is. It's a type of permanent life insurance that offers both a death benefit for your loved ones and a cash value component that grows over time. The unique aspect is that its growth is tied to a market index, like the S&P 500, but without directly investing in the stock market. This offers potential for gains while providing some protection from market downturns. One of the key advantages of an IUL is its balance of growth potential and protection. While your cash value can grow based on a market index, there's usually a guaranteed minimum interest rate, often 0%, preventing losses during market declines. However, there's also a cap on gains, frequently around 10 to 12% annually. This structure aims to provide steady, predictable growth over the long term. Setting up your IUL begins with understanding your personal financial landscape. First, clearly define your goals. How much death benefit do you need, and what are your cash value accumulation objectives? Next, it's crucial to work with a knowledgeable financial advisor. They will help you design a policy tailored to your unique needs, considering factors like premium payments and index choices. Finally, you'll complete the application and go through the underwriting process. Once your IUL is in place, ongoing management is key to its success. It's important to regularly review your policy's performance and make adjustments to your contributions as your financial needs change. Also, be sure to understand all the fees and charges involved, as these can impact your cash value growth. Finally, if you plan to take policy loans or withdrawals, understand their long-term effects on your death benefit and cash value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.